All right, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an interesting conversation you had with your friend. So please.
I have had many interesting conversation with my friends, but on different topic. But one of them is very important for me. This conversation was with my friend. He came from Canada, Canada in vacations. He came to my home to meet me.
To meet me.
To meet me. We starting conversation each other. He told me that about his student life in Canada. He told me that he work 20 hour in a week, and study two days in a week. He also told me about the rules and regulation which we needed in Canada, and this information is very interesting and useful for me for my future.
Okay, this is good. Overall, it's fine. Better than yesterday. थोड़ा सा हंस के बोला करें, ठीक है? Have a smile on your face. Relax yourself when you're talking. There are few mistakes which are related to tenses, present and past tense. So focus your tenses. Otherwise, content is good. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. Do children have strong opinions?
No, I think they do not have strong opinion because their opinion is changed with their ages, with their information. When they get new information, they also change their opinion about that.
Okay, this is good. So just keep it up like this. ये जितने भी topics हैं, just try to cover them all and you'll be fine. Thank you.